Okay, I believe we are live. So welcome to another live stream, everybody. And we are just getting started here on a Sunday morning. So welcome in, everybody. We'll wait a few minutes just to get everybody in here. Right now, the market slowly coming back. Ethereum still above 3,100. Bitcoin up above 4,600. Cardano, one of the big movers, pulling back a little bit. Hey, how you doing, Boca? Welcome in. XRP continues to move forward, up 61% in the past week. So we're going to talk a lot about Cardano and XRP along with Shiba Inu. Dogecoin also making some nice gains, still up 5% here in the 24-hour period, up about 20% in the last week. XRP really closing in now on Tether. Cardano has fallen back below Binance Coin, but it's just slightly below. It'll probably overtake it and become number 3 here again very, very soon. So we're going to wait just for a few minutes here. I'm going to send out a tweet so everybody knows we're live as well. Get some more people in the community in here. All I ask is when you stop in, if you can hit the like button for me, that would be tremendous. As well as subscribe to the channel if you're new. And let me send out a tweet so everybody knows we're here. All right, let's see. Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu live. Okay, let me tweet that out. That's good to go. Hopefully everybody out there is having a fantastic morning here so far. Great weekend too. And so let's take a look at the SHIB price right now, down about 1%, sitting at the 08 level. And we're continuing to consolidate a bit, but we are starting to move up, right? We're starting to form lower or higher lows, right? So here was a low, here was a low, here's a low. Now we're forming these lows, right? We can see a trend here forming, which is obviously a bullish sign here for SHIB. And you know, it's kind of been a slow and steady pace here the last 5 or 6 days. If we go back to August 7th and August 8th, we saw some big movement in the price about a week ago. But it'll be really interesting to see what happens here with Webull and what kind of catalyst that will be for us. We don't have any official word yet. We're going to stay up to date on the latest. Let's check the Twitter of Webull actually just to see if they've said anything here. And welcome in, everybody. All right, so let's pull up Webull's official page. Because right now we're getting word that they're going through beta testing. So it's listed on the Webull app. I use Webull, so I could see it listed up there as a currency that they, what's the word? Have, for lack of better words, or a currency they support. That's what I was looking for. What's up, Chance? Good morning, man. Everyone looking good. What's up, man? Okay, so no official word yet here from Webull. Looking here. Okay, nothing yet, nothing yet. However, it is listed on the mobile app when you're on Webull, so we believe it's very, very soon. SHIB Cryptologist, shout out to him. He allowed us to see behind the curtain a little bit. He was on it first, so shout out to him. So let me spell Shiba correctly, and then we can look at some things. Under test to be traded on Webull. Hey, there's my tweet. There's Austin. What's up, Austin? There's Chad. What's up, Chad? So yeah, a lot of people talking about this. Here's your pop. So this is certainly excuse me, certainly going to be a nice catalyst, nice boost for Shiba Inu's price. I think we're starting to feel some of the boost from eToro as well. These things do take time, right, to kind of feel the effects of these new exchanges adding SHIB. So it's not an overnight, you know, meteoric rise. Now, something like Coinbase might give us a little bit more of a pump, if you will. A lot of the assets that move to Coinbase right away see 4x, 5x within the 24-hour period when they're listed. However, that's not really common, right? What's more common is, kind of just a slow and steady growth over a week's time, 2 weeks' time, to kind of get more and more people interested in the asset. So we'll take a look at Dogecoin right now too. So let me pull this back down. SHIB's still ranked a buy right now from the technical perspective here on TradingView as well, which is good to see. Dogecoin up 2% and continuing to move higher, looking super bullish as well. We can see there's Doge and SHIB. Very similar chart patterns. They've kind of separated a little bit here recently as Dogecoin has started to move a little bit higher than SHIB, but still nice movement here by Dogecoin. For all the Doge holders out there, they're loving this. This was the low point way back on July 20th. This thing was down to 15 cents. I guess, yeah, 15 cents and some change. We have doubled. We have gained 100%. We're up at 30 cents right now, up about 3% here in the 24-hour period. Take a look at Ethereum. A little bit of a pullback here for ETH, but still looking super bullish, still forming higher lows here, right? Continuing that that trend will be crucial, and I think we're just getting started here for the entire bull market and for Ethereum. But we saw some good opportunities to hop back in right here, back on the 12th of August as Ethereum dipped down below 3,000. So I know a lot of people were chomping at the bit to add onto their position there, and I think that's a great move. What's up, Bruce? How you doing, man? Okay, so Bruce, shout out to you, Bruce and Gabrielle. Shout out to Kathy Gibson, Bruce Kelting, and Gabrielle Lagona, all 3 new Patreon members. Thank you all so much for joining the private community. I can't wait to see what your thoughts are, and I'm sure you're going to get some value out of your investment too. And if anybody else wants to join our private community, come on over and join us at the Patreon. I will send a link over here in the chat as well. It is down in the description for you. Still time to do that this month. You can cancel at any time. So yeah, shout out to you, Bruce. Appreciate you, man. Also, we've got a video coming out on Mina Protocol later today, so be on the lookout for that one. That's an interesting project that another one of our private community members, Tori McFarland, has put me on. So been doing some due diligence there and looking at that asset. Very interesting project moving forward. What's up, Numsa? Hey, Zach, can you tell me what's happening with SHIB price? It's not moving. Other altcoins moving, but SHIB is not. Well, the entire market down slightly here, about 0.5%. We're at 1.97 trillion market cap. Numsa, it just doesn't happen overnight. Okay, that's the short answer. Just doesn't happen overnight. You got to be patient. Be grateful. Don't you think SEC will wreck most of the cryptos? I don't think so. I think we're moving closer toward regulation across the board. I think when that happens, they're not going to really single out particular assets as much. However, who knows, right? I don't have all those answers. I wish I knew more. Good morning, Todd. How you doing, man? Aries, hey, Zach, we'll join the private community beginning next month. Awesome. Can't wait for you to join up with us, Aries. John was going to wait 5 years. There you go, man. The patient investor always wins, all right? All right, for those of you all in here who forgot to hit the like button, there's 22 of you out there right now who didn't hit the like button. If you could make that happen, that would really make my day. So smash the like button. That really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Let's get all people in here interested in hanging out with us this morning to talk SHIB, to talk all things crypto by hitting that like button. Cobble Deep, what's up? What's going on, brother? How you doing, man? How you doing, my friend? All right, so Bitcoin at 46K. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. And a little bit of a pullback here for BTC, but still, again, we're forming higher lows, right? That's the crucial point. And what I mean by that is, here you go. Here was the dip. There's a low point, right? Here's a dip. There's the low point. Here's a dip. Another low point, okay? We're continuing to form higher lows, and that is a bullish sign, okay? Here were some of the ones way down here. Okay. Loving that. Loving that. So BTC, when a lot of people asking when will it hit 50K? It's hard to kind of tell here, but as quick as Bitcoin can move, I mean, this can really happen within a 24-hour period. If the whale activity comes in and takes over, as we saw with Bitcoin, its parabolic movement right here back in late July, right, where we were down here at the $33,000 range and went all the way up to 40K, right, within like a couple hours. That sort of thing can happen, where you can gain $5,000 to $7,000 on the Bitcoin price in a hurry. I mean, just in a few hours' time. So it's certainly imminent. I think Bitcoin is destined for new all-time highs, no question. How high will it go? I think it'll slightly surpass 65,000. I know we were as high as 64.8. And again, I'm just giving you my best guess here based on some things that I've been looking at. Now, early 2022, I think we can get a little bit higher than that. I think then is where maybe we crack the door open for a 100K price tag on Bitcoin. A lot of people asking too, how long will this bull run last, this bull cycle? As we know, the crypto market, the stock market, everything runs in cycles. Crypto is a little bit different, longer downturns in the market where we call them crypto winters. I think this current bull cycle is just beginning, and I think we're going to be here for the next 4 to 6 months. So all the way into early 2022. Now, will there be some ebbs and flows, some ups and downs throughout the process? 100%. Yes, we're going to see major pullbacks, slight dips, and major upside movement too. So that's kind of my thinking. The next 4 to 6 months here is going to be a great opportunity to make some money. Then we have to start talking about exit strategies, taking some profits, having some money on the sidelines, waiting for things to dip, maybe to even lower our average cost in some things. So those are the next steps. But right now, I think it's enjoying the ride, especially if you bought in early, right? And enjoying those gains, and then finding out when you want to take some profits. If you want to just take initial investments out, if you want to wait till you're up about 50% on your trade to take some investments, those are questions that you have to answer for yourself. And I think those are important things to do as well during this process, especially during this bull cycle. All right, let me catch up on chat. What is up, everybody? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for hitting that like button. That really helps. Aries done. Nice. Deborah, anything about Lovely Inu? Don't know anything about Lovely Inu. It's just another one of those really speculative plays. As I always say, tread very lightly with anything that is very speculative. Good morning. Good morning, Jala. Good morning. Better weeks to come, too. You bet, Anthony. What's up, man? It's been a good week for XRP holders. Yeah, you're not kidding. XRP looking fantastic, man. Did a video on it last night. I really, really love what's in store for XRP, coming from all the way down here at 51 cents back on July 20th. Major, major moves to the upside here. Slight little pullback here with the entire market, but love what I'm seeing. And they, too, XRP, forming higher lows here, even every time it dips down a little bit. So little consolidation period right now, probably before another push forward for XRP. So it's looking great. Wasan, hey, how you doing, man? Tyler just got on. What did I miss? We're just reviewing kind of the latest and greatest around the crypto space, focusing a lot on SHIB, XRP, and Cardano here in the live stream. So that's what we've got. What happened to the sound? Hopefully you could still hear me. Hopefully you can still hear me. Let me know if my sound, my audio is okay, guys. Automotive, what's up, man? Everyone, please like and share the video. Also, tweet out the link. Yes, Anthony, appreciate that. If y'all want to help spread the word, that would be super kind of you, super cool. So here is the tweet should be out. Let me refresh this. I thought I tweeted it. It should be. Let me make sure I actually sent the tweet. Hopefully I did. No, it never did go out, did it? Okay. Well, we've got to do that again. Oh, look at that. It never sent. Okay. Now it's sending. Okay. Here we go. All right, so now the tweet is out. So now you can, if you want to help me out, that'd be tremendous. Let me refresh the Twitter here again. The Twitter. Okay, here's the tweet. Just sent it. Shiba Inu live, Cardano updates, XRP updates, and more. If y'all want to retweet this, like this, share it with some friends, let's continue to grow the community. So would really appreciate that. Send out that latest tweet. Let's see here. Everyone, okay, got it. Tori, it's in huge cup and handle, I think. Tori, I don't know if you caught. Well, you're gonna be excited when you see my next video that's coming out, Tori. It's all about Mina protocol, just for you, brother. And I gave you a special shout out in that video. That's coming out around 12 p.m. Eastern time later today, man. So I appreciate you. Anthony saying $2 XRP by tomorrow. Okay, wow. It could get there. It's looking super bullish for XRP. Negi buying the dips. Cheers, brother. Good evening from Scotland. Hey, Eson, how you doing, man? Never mind, my phone connected to my hot tub. Okay, gotcha, Todd. No problem, brother. Hanging out in the hot tub, I like it, man. Sounds relaxing. So you'd rather take profits than just hodl 5 years without touching? It depends on the asset, Tyler. It depends on the assets. I feel like some assets are hold for the next 5 to 10 years or beyond, no matter what. But you can take profits and then add on to those positions later too, right? Depending on market conditions, where you see things going, and things change. But listen, even when I take profits in something like, let's say, Cardano, that doesn't mean I'm not going to be invested as for the long term in Cardano. It's just you take a little bit of profits along the way, and then you reinvest, you know, as you try to time the market. Now, it's difficult to time the market. The easiest thing to do is buy and hold. That's a great strategy. And, you know, speaking of various crypto strategies, Austin Hilton and I, another YouTuber, him and I are very good friends. We talk each and every day. We're going to be coming out with a course that we'll be selling on our respective channels. There'll be links to that. We still have to create all the content. We've got an outline formed. It will be a crypto trading course that'll probably be around 2 hours long, $100, but once you pay for it, it is yours forever. And you can have that until you could share it with others if you want. We'd encourage somebody to buy it themselves, but you'll have access to that for whenever you need to look back. It's going to be all about crypto, all about various strategies that you can use in order to take profits along the way. So that's something we're working on, something we're excited about adding to our respective channels and our community. So, Darren, I'm not yet to 10,000 Cardano, not there quite, but I've got a good amount, and I'm excited with where we're heading. That's for sure. And I'm very green right now in my investment. I've added quite a bit at $1.11, $1.02, and $1.23. Were my three big entry points to Cardano. So pretty pumped about that. We could take a look at ADA real quick, sitting at $2.11. And it too kind of in this little consolidation dip. But look what we saw last time here on the charts. Look at the last time we formed this right here. Looks very similar to this pattern, doesn't it? So last time we had this little downturn, we saw a big move upward right after, right? Literally the next day following, it moved up from, let's see, $1.73, let's call it, all the way to $2.05. So are we getting ready for another big push? I think so. I think we're getting geared up for another big push here for ADA. Now, Cardano is one that I would consider taking some profits on. And again, I'm not going to be out of Cardano completely. Just taking some money out to secure some of those profits and keeping it in a stable coin right now. You know, something like the Dogecoin or the USD or something like that. Waiting until other assets that you like dip, or maybe Cardano dips later, you know, after this 4 to 6 months, which I think will be the end of the bull cycle. But here's the thing. Buy and hold is still a very viable and still the best strategy. You don't have to think about it. You just let it ride. And the other thing, too, with ADA is there could come a time where we get to that September 12th date right, which is that crucial important date for ADA, for the Alonzo hard fork, everything to be finalized there. When that happens, I do think we could see a sell-off there, but I think before September 12th, Cardano is going to continue to rise. I do. Boca, hold, done, swing or take profits and others. It's a multifaceted environment. Exactly, Boca. Agree 100%. Michael, good afternoon from Germany, stationed here. Nice, Michael. Welcome in, brother. And thank you for your service. OD, hello, welcome. Isaiah, morning. Alan, what's up, man? Thank you for your dedication, man. Thank you, man. Thank you for listening. Thank you for the support. Appreciate that. There was no tweet. I just posted the link. My portfolio has been up 50% over the week. Boom. Love it, Raphael. That's awesome, brother. I can hear you, Zach. You're good on my end. Good, Bruce. Thank you. All good on sound. Good, good. Scattercat, what's up, man? Any suggestions? Teeks8, regarding which asset, man? There's so many different things to talk about. What are you thinking? Morning, Steve. Good morning from Wichita, Kansas. Nice. Castle Bravo, what's up, man? Unwrenchable, good morning. So if XRP blows up $40 after lawsuit, could it really be higher 5 years later? Tyler, I think the sky's the limit, man. Someone posted on Discord, XRP will be backed by gold. Check it out for the stream, for us on stream. Gotcha, Tyler. Let me check out the stream or Discord right now. Oh, it was Lincoln, huh? Okay, I got it. Let's see here. XRP, got it. Confirmed. XRP will be backed by gold. Interesting. Okay, so let's bring this over to my Mac. Okay, it should pop up here in a second. It is airdropping. Okay, so let me read you what we've got here coming in from XRP Productions, who is a big Twitter account for XRP. They follow the latest and greatest information here, and they've also done some due diligence to find out that we could be getting close to a settlement with the XRP SEC insight. All right, so let's see here. What happened to that document now? Did I lose it? Let's see. There it is. Okay, here we go. Confirmed. What do we got here? XRP will be backed by gold, which will be backed by XRP. Speaking to two unknown but possibly well-connected and successful men in the YouTube video of Mysterious Origins Wednesday, billionaire oil tycoon Charlie Ward confirmed that the digital asset XRP will indeed be backed by gold, which itself will be backed by XRP. They've done very well to keep this under wraps, said Ward in the video. And this will be part of the quantum financial system that just finished testing. I can't tell you everything, but I can tell you this. All the XRP will definitely be backed 1-to-1 with gold, and each ounce of gold will be backed 2-to-1 with XRP. Interesting. The online cryptocurrency world has exploded with equal fervor and skepticism at the video, some thinking the news could send the price of XRP skyrocketing, others thinking it will only harm the digital asset. This is probably just a load of BS, said 3-year XRP holder Leonard Mingus. But just in case, I've added another bag of XRP and another bag of bananas. Okay, so not sure what to make of this. Lincoln, thank you for bringing this to us. I try to take everything we read and see with a grain of salt, right? But listen, getting these perspectives, always great, and appreciate that. A lot of people super bullish on XRP, and for good reason. I think it has tremendous, tremendous upside here in this bull cycle. Don't forget, too, XRP led the last bull cycle. It was the leader. It was number one. So Anthony says that gold stuff is BS. Okay, there you go. So you're getting different perspectives. Samurai, wear your suit. Man, I wanted to be a little bit more comfortable today. Jimmy, what's happening, man? Good morning. Thank you. Appreciate you, man. Good morning, each and everybody out there. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hold done, swing or take profits. There you go. ADA and ETH are going to be on the SEC's to sue list, hoping they just pay the toll to do business. Refusing to answer the question on if ETH is a security or not is very telling. Yeah, it'll be interesting to watch, Anthony. That's for sure. Morning from BS's Argentina. Okay. Morning, Mariano. Mr. Junior, what's up, man? Boca, I wish I could edit my chat. Mornings and iPhone texting sucks. I hear you, man. Good morning from Salt Lake City. What's up, Brian? XRP won't follow normal markets. Anthony's a huge XRP holder and avid XRP researcher, too. He's always up to speed on the latest. It'll follow more of an oil kind of trend. It will dip when international trade dips, not the market. Nice. Morning, Christine. Jeffrey, it's dated 2020. Okay. Johnny, what's up? Boca, that's a year old. Gotcha. Yeah, see? Bought in at 103, converted it in at 145, traded all my AMP and all my ACH for ADA, and when ADA was 145. Nice. Hi, Zach. Is the strategy of transferring your position to stablecoin at a high point and then out of USD back into position at the dip a good strategy? Pros and cons. Thanks. Daniel Ali, great question. Yeah. So I like to use the DAI coin, DAI coin, especially when I'm profit taking, right? And then you could just hold it in the DAI coin. While it's in the DAI coin, you can move that into another asset at any time. While you leave it in the DAI coin, you're going to earn 2% on your money just for holding it there. Which is really nice. And it's a stable coin. It's backed by the US dollar, so you can kind of sit there, accrue a little 2% interest while you wait for dips, while you wait for good opportunities to get into other assets that you like, or the same asset. If you have this conviction that it's going to move down a lot more and you want to sell before it moves down, or you start to see it move down on that downtrend, then you sell a little bit and wait for those dips. Holding it in the DAI coin is a good strategy because you already have it then in the app, right? Or for me, it's Coinbase. I already have it ready to go in the DAI coin. It's not where I have to put the money in, wait for those funds to transfer in. It's already in crypto. It's in the stable coin. At any time, I can move that over into another asset. So, yeah, that's a good strategy, and it's one that a lot of people use, for sure. So, Tyler, if it's true, it's huge for getting non-believers to invest in crypto just because you can physically hold gold, right? Right. Anybody see rewards yet? They did say it was going to take up to 2 weeks now, every 2 weeks. Is it good to get XRP now? Some people will say yes. I think it's probably a decent opportunity still. I mean, obviously you would have liked to get in before this big move up, but a lot of the people who are backing XRP, who love the asset, say this is just the beginning, and I tend to agree with them. I think this is just the beginning for XRP. So if you're planning on buying and holding for a long time, sure. This is a pretty good time to get into XRP. We're getting a little bit of a dip here too. What's up, Gary? How you doing, man? Good morning from Arkansas. Yo, what's happening? Let's make some money today. Shiba Inu to the moon. I hear you, brother. Always a good time for XRP. There you go. Did you have any trouble with your Coinbase account? I've seen a lot of people got locked out, had all their assets frozen for days. No, nothing on my end, Anthony. It's been good. What's up, Johnny? Coinbase's freezing accounts will only allow withdrawals if they haven't done the extra registration steps. Interesting. Didn't know about that, Steve. I haven't been withdrawing though, so I've only been adding on to positions. I've been buying. Hey y'all, if you could, let's get up over, I don't know, 60, 70, can we 70 likes? I think that's feasible, right? That really helps us out with the algorithm. Let's get more people in here, hang out, talk crypto. Feel free to fire off some questions too. I'll be taking those here as we continue to go down here. Let's look at some more charts here. So XLM, kind of one that's been flying under the radar here. This is Stellar Lumens. Love this one. This is one I've held for a little while, and I took some profits on it, turned it into a Polygon investment earlier this year during its first big run-up. But it is one that I still believe in and that I like. Don't sleep on Stellar. It's got super lightning fast transaction speed times, which really makes it a commodity that a lot of people are interested in. Yeah, VeChain. Let's do that, Tyler, because VeChain is looking super bullish as always. And look at this parabolic movement. We saw just the steady gains here until, look at this move upwards recently. This was on the 12th. Look at August 12th to the 15th, just straight up the line there for VET. Big gains to the upside. Right now we're sitting at 12 cents and some change, nearly 13 cents. We've been as high as 13.7, almost 14 cents here in the 24-hour period. And the indicators showing us, the technicals rather, indicating that it's still a buy right now on VeChain. As you can see here, moving averages showing a strong buy for VeChain. So big believer in VET, definitely liked it. Anytime it's 6 cents or less, I was telling many people to go ahead and go for it. If you got in at 6 cents or less right now, you have doubled your money. Doubled your money right now. Stellar's just a copy of XRP. It was made by one of the founders who left. Right, Anthony. And I think it's okay having both, I think, right? I don't think it's bad. And you know, maybe it's a little bit more appealing given that it's cheaper in price and it doesn't have the SEC surrounding it at the moment. So I think you can own both. Good morning, Julio. What's up, man? Falcon Lord, just like, bro. Appreciate you, bro. Raphael, come in, people. Do your part and hit the like. Yeah, thank you, Raphael. VTHO is kicking butt. I don't have much of it. Yeah, Cecil, it is doing nice. It's doing nice work. I still prefer VET over VTHO, though, if I'm going to pick one. But sure, you can have both in the ecosystem. I don't think that's bad at all. Your thoughts when ETH 2.0 comes unlocked? Prices goes up or down? Interesting question, Julio. I think it's going to go way up from here leading up to Ethereum 2.0. But I do think there are going to be people taking profits on that money once it's unlocked because, well, right now they just can't take any of those profits. So I do think there'll be a large correction once Ethereum 2.0 money is unlocked. But in terms of the long-term outlook of the price, I'm still super bullish on ETH. I don't think that's going to be a huge concern for the price. And one of the big things that really helps us is we're getting that slow burn now due to the EIP 1559 upgrade. We're always going to be slowly burning tokens out of the circulating supply. Disc Snob, what's up, man? Thank you. Thanks for being here, brother. Thanks for the support. VeChain doing really well. Yes, Gary. What's up, Mario? How you doing, man? Johnny, what's happening, brother? JT, what's up? What do you think about Alien World Trillium? I don't know much about Alien World Trillium. Is that a new one? I've heard of Alien Worlds. Is Alien Worlds Trillium a new one? Is it just TLM, Alien Worlds? Or is this a new one? Trillium? Or is this just, if it's just Alien Worlds, I like this one. So this one's up 11% right now, ranked 235. It's in the NFT space. I like it. I'm not invested in it, but it's doing well right now. It's got an all-time high of $7.19, so still well off that. Is that right? $7.19? Okay. I got it at 11, but still good. Yeah, I'm guessing on VeChain. It's missing the utility of a big company like Ripple and their ODL product being used around the world. Did you see that ETH miner producers didn't stop production on their miners like they were supposed to because of the ETH 2.0 release that was coming? They clearly know about a delay that we don't. Interesting, Anthony. Interesting perspective as always, my friend. Thanks for sharing. Raphael says QTUM a must buy. Quantum. Gotcha. So this is one that is in the top 100. Ranked number 76, down about 5.5% right now. They're a proof of stake smart contract open source blockchain values transfer protocol aiming to bring together the strengths of Bitcoin and Ethereum in one chain. Sounds great, right? Because Bitcoin and Ethereum both have their pros and cons. Quantum is built on Bitcoin's transaction model with the added functionality of smart contract execution from dApps. Recently, the platform added support for DeFi apps. As of March 2021, there are more than 20 tokens created on the Qtum blockchain. Interesting stuff. Really like SKL, love the tech, holding this one nice, Daniel. When is Shiba going to start trading on Webull? Don't have a timetable yet, don't know exactly when, but hopefully soon. Avanesh, you can stake it many different places. The best place I would say is probably Shiba Swap, but you could stake it on many other exchanges as well. Personally, I'm not staking my SHIB. I do stake some other assets though. Zay, what's happening, man? I'm doing great. Hopefully you are too, brother. JT, what's happening, bro? What are your thoughts on VThor coin? William, I like it, but if I had to pick one between VThor and VeChain, I'd take VeChain. I'd take VET. I did not see the new CryptoPuffs website, Tori. You might have shared that with me. There's always so many things people are sending me. I try to get to as many things as I can. Haven't taken a look at that yet, but we'll do so. Doug, Zach, what's your opinion on AquaGoat Finance? The goats are building. Check out. Oh, don't know anything about that one, Doug. Have to do some due diligence there. Is there a way to contact us? TikTok team tried to contact you and they did not receive any response. TikToken. OD, I don't know. I get a ton of different emails from people with various projects. Listen, man, from my vantage point, it's not in my best interest to do any of that kind of stuff. I don't want to get paid to pump a token. That's not my style. So if you want that, this isn't the channel for you. I'm not going to sell myself out for a little bit of money to pump a token. I want to be a YouTuber that people respect, somebody who gives it to them straight, good, bad, or indifferent. And that's kind of my style, man. So when do you expect SHIB to touch 0.001? 0.001, I would say within a year is possible, okay? But it's gonna be tough to get there, okay? Mason Choi, thank you so much for the super chat, man. Shiba Moon 2025 0.085. I love it, man. I love it, bro. Thank you so much for the super chat. Really appreciate that. That means a lot. Nick Moore, hi Zach from Windy, Ireland. What's up, Nick? How you doing, bro? Ecomi a must buy. Yeah, Ecomi is an interesting one. They've got the partnership with Disney. I do like what they're doing, but I don't have it yet. But it's definitely one to keep on your radar for sure. Jimmy Maddox, what's up? Is AMP ready for a breakout? I think so. I think AMP is just getting close for another breakout. I think a lot of money from AMP went into Alchemy Pay because it was the latest and greatest thing that came to Coinbase. But I think people, and when I say people, what I really mean is institutions. I think institutions will eventually back AMP here in the future. And the Discord's blowing up here, so Alien Worlds, yeah, the DeFi NFT metaverse where you can collect and play with unique digital items. It's 19th project on Binance Launchpad. For more information, there you go. Appreciate that. Appreciate that. Whoever sent that. Oh, that's from the Alphabot. Nice. In the crypto news. Very cool. Very cool. Thank you. Yeah, we are live, everyone, in the Discord. Let me tell everybody too, so they know. So yeah, if you want to join the Discord, let me show you how you could do that. Oh, I forgot to pin it as the top comment, huh? But we've got two different levels over here. Great community building over here. I mean, we are just helping each other grow our portfolios together. Awesome, awesome conversations happening here at every hour of every day. So if you want to join up with us, here's the link. I'll drop this in the chat for you, and I'll pin it up there too. So we're going to continue to look at some more assets here. I will get back to some of your questions here as well. Why aren't you staking your SHIB, bro? Do you own any Bone or leash? I don't. I don't have bone or leash right now. But staking your SHIB over there, I mean, it's a personal preference, man. You got to do what's best for you. Shiba Inu, what will happen with XRP tomorrow? I don't know. Is there a particular deadline for the FUD going on in the U.S. over XRP? There's a lot of XRP transactions happening in the U.S. Has been for days. So, Anthony, I got to ask you something, bro, because you are the XRP expert right now in this chat, and pretty much always. I'm having trouble with Uphold, man. I can't get my account verified, and then that makes me kind of a little hesitant to use it. I don't know if I want to. I don't know if I fully trust it yet. I can't change my location for whatever reason. Uphold will not let me change my state where I'm located right now, even though I've changed locations, which is in return not allowing me to be verified on the app. So I'm having a ton of trouble with that. I don't know if I need to use a VPN. I'd rather not. Man, I just wish XRP was available on crypto or on Coinbase. I would have already been in it by now. And maybe I'm too much of a stickler for the security and being on an app and brokerage that I trust, but that's important to me, okay? And that's kind of where I'm at with XRP right now. It's frustrating. Leash is super low now. Yeah, it is. I mean, it is a good time to get in if you believe in it. But, I mean, I keep stressing this. I mean, I get the entire ecosystem, and it's important that we grow it all together and all that. But SHIB is the most important asset. That's the one I own. That's the one I focus on the most. That's why we're here. That's why this ecosystem even exists. Can you check VThor token and tell us what you think about it? I like VThor token. I've looked at it before. But I just like VET better. You can now stake your ETH directly from the ledger. What's up, Jeremy? How you doing, brother? When do you believe Shiba will hit 10 cents? Oh, it'll be a long time for 10 cents. Long time. XRP going live tomorrow in Singapore. Works eggs. They're just super strict. Okay, talking about Uphold here. Thank you, man. Yeah, man, it's really frustrating. Staking SHIB and Bone on Swap, all others on Hotbit and Wallet, auto growth on MetaMask. Nice. Nice, Ron D. Thank you, man. Let's see. Mr. Junior, you can get it outside of Uphold and then move it to the Coinbase wallet. If you want me to DM you about it, I can. Yeah, Mr. Junior, DM me over on Discord and let's talk about it because I'm waiting on this Uphold stuff and it's frustrating, man. Elon Musk is acquiring Swarm, not a coin but a stock. Any input? Don't know anything about that. What is Swarm, Earl? That's super interesting. If Elon's, getting in it, it's definitely something we should be looking at because if he believes in a project, he's usually not wrong, right, on those sort of things. Bought it on Exodus wallet for Suresh. Okay. Boca, I'm trying to just buy it on Uphold, man. I'm trying like hell. I promise you, dude. I'm trying like hell. They won't verify my stuff, and I cannot edit. I can show you what it looks like. I mean, I don't know what the issue is. It's frustrating. I'll show you. Go to Uphold, okay, and I go to let's see. How do I show you where I'm at here? Okay, XRP. Okay, so here you go. Here, I don't know if you guys could see this, okay? But basically, it asks for your home address, your city, your zip code, country, and state. The country and state is already filled in. It won't let me edit it. That's not my state. And it's not where my card is going to be connected to. So what do? I've reached out to them. I've emailed them. Nothing. So it's frustrating, and I've been trying to do this for weeks. So, but we'll continue. Sorry, I don't get frustrated very often. I'm usually a happy-go-lucky. I'm always positive, but that kind of pissed me off a little bit. Let's see. Check your Discord. Okay. Let me make sure I'm just catching up with everything. All right, let me check the Discord real quick because somebody's trying to help me out with, I think, getting up on Uphold here. So, okay, let's see. All right, so Zay, got you, man. Bro, do it. Some tokens, okay. For Uphold, download global ID on your phone and sign in. Oh, a global ID. Okay. All right, I'll look at this when I get off. I appreciate you guys. Thank you very much. And this is the kind of stuff, the support that you get. Look, I don't have all the answers. Sometimes I'm struggling. That's why if you want to become a member of our community, people always have answers to your questions. If it's not me, it's somebody else. It's just a great great crypto community to be a part of. And there's always value being added each and every day. So come on over and join us. Again, shout out to our new members who just joined up with us today. So hopefully we'll see you over there. But yeah, going back to AMP here because we got a little off track here. Quick TV timeout too. Let's get to 100 likes. We need 12 of you out there who forgot to hit the like button. Takes like 0.23 seconds, totally free. But AMP is stuck at 6 cents right now, just completely stuck in the mud. But if we look at this chart, this is the all chart. It's a really nice chart. Overall, it's a super nice chart. They're still forming higher lows here, right? We're in a consolidation period. I think we're getting ready for another big press forward. And I think we're getting right back to these all-time highs at 12 cents, if not surpassing them. Okay? And I talked about that recently in an update on AMP over on the channel where, let me take you over there and I'll show you exactly where that is. Okay? It should be right here on this page. Here it is right here. AMP still worth it 2 days ago. Go check out this video if you haven't seen it. I kind of break it down. I mean, I do believe in AMP long term. I think there's something going to happen with big institutions. Whether or not it's Amazon, I don't know, but something big is going to happen. Bald Gamer, thank you for the super chat, my friend. Good morning, everyone. Let's all make sure to smash the like button so we can help grow the channel. Also make more people aware of crypto. Appreciate you, man. Thank you for the $5 super chat, too. Appreciate that. But yes, I certainly believe in AMP, okay? Come to the dark side. Anthony, my man, I will eventually. I wish I was already on this dark side with you, man. I wish I was already there with you. Found that all FX Street's predictions lately have come true. Robert Black made money on Matic and Shiba, and they now predict XRP to 3x. Nice, Robert. Yeah, they've got a great thing going over there. They've got some nice technical analysis, people that I follow, because that's not my strong suit. That's not my specialty, but they've got a nice team who handles that, and I'm learning from them. San Diego, what's happening, man? Crowcoin, huge long-term gains. UFC is huge. Tyler, I love it. AMP is solid, I agree. Love AMP, Carter. Yep, me too. Oh, thanks for popping us over 100 likes, y'all. Appreciate that. XRP, 59 cents. Let's go. Oh, got in at 59 cents. Nice. Gerard, any updates on the official listing on Webull? Is it still being tested? Yeah, still going through beta testing right now, Gerard. That's what we've got. Stone, welcome back, my friend. What is up, brother? How you doing, man? Crowcoin is also sponsoring F1 too. Yes, exactly. Tim, good morning. Ryoshi's Vision predictions. Just watched your vid. Nice, Mike. Any updates? Okay, got it. XRP is going to have an amazing week next week. There are a lot of lawsuit deadlines. Come to the dark side. Yeah, man. Anthony, I'm going to try to get there, man. Looks like Exodus Wallet is another option I've got. So we'll see. I'm going to get help from somebody in our Discord, and we'll get this thing rolling with XRP. All right, y'all. Welcome in. Welcome, welcome, welcome. If it's your first time stopping by, hopefully you're getting some value. If you are, just subscribe to the channel, like the video, hit the notification bell. Here on the channel, it's all about constant growth. We're helping each other grow our portfolios. We're working together. We're making money together. And if you like that, then and all things crypto, you found the right spot. You found a good place to be. So let's take a look at some of the other assets here. Let's take a look at Crowcoin, actually. That's one that we talk about quite a bit on the channel. We like it. Crowcoin, a lot of us got in at 11 cents. Pretty much right after that UFC deal was signed. A lot of people in our community, shout out to Work Zay, who put us on Crow. And a lot of us, jumped right on board with it at 11 cents. Since then, it has popped up over 15 cents, so some nice gains on Crowcoin. This is one that you've got to hold, in my opinion, for a long term to really see the benefits here. But I think Crypto.com, that brokerage, is going to continue to grow tremendously, in part thanks to the F1 Series partnership, as well as this UFC partnership, which is a massive 10-year, $175 million deal. So it'll be really interesting to watch. Shout out from Indy again. What's up, Gerard? Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Cartesi finally moving up some. Nice, Chad. Johnny Crypto Crow has an NFT market too. Yes, they just recently put that out too. Right, Johnny's on top of it. Let's hit 150 likes. I agree with Steve. Let's do that. Let's freaking do that. Moonbound Millennials. BitBoy said, don't sleep on XRP. Got in at 90 cents. There you go. PT, always a good watch. Appreciate you, man. Cartesi's moving, huh? All right, let's see where Cartesi is. Oh, Cartesi, big move here. Yeah, up 17%. Look at this. Wow. Okay, yeah, Cartesi just moving. Mitch, welcome to the Discord, man. I saw that you just got in on the private community. Welcome in, Mitch. Happy to have you, brother. So Cartesi making some crazy moves here. Look at this. Big gainers. Okay. Interesting stuff here. This is just happening today, too. Man, it's great to have some of the true OGs back in the chats. We got Johnny, we got Zay, we got Anthony, we got Stone. Appreciate all of you, man. John, what's happening? Valenzuela, how you doing? Crypto is my new passion. What's up, Trina? Trina's a member of our private community, as well as Tyler is in there. Can you check out Clee? Yeah, I've looked at it briefly, Peter. It's not that appealing to me right now. It's super risky. Just be careful. Where can you buy XRP? Denver Miller, if you're in the United States, Uphold is your best bet. Uphold. Stone says, forget about XRP. Invest in ETH or BTC. Well, I mean, I'm certainly invested in Ethereum, too. That's my #1 holding. Been trading 18 hours a day. It's hard to be on YouTube. I hear you, Stone. Stone is a day trader and a very good one at that, so he's somebody you can learn from, definitely in our community here. Where's Nut? Yeah, we need Nut, man. Nut's been busy, too. You bet, Denver. PT and me. I don't know what you mean, brother. Sorry. Henry, when Shiba Inu go to the moon? I don't know exactly when. If I knew when, I'd already be a millionaire, man. If I knew how to time markets like that, I wouldn't even be here. Be on an island. But listen, man, I think it has a great long-term future. I'll be holding it for a while. Okay. Let's take a look at some of these other assets here. Baby Doge is way up right now, isn't it? Let's see. I think it is. I think Baby Doge is actually way up right now. Let's see here. Baby Doge. I know it's speculative, but this is one speculative play that I actually like a little bit. Did you get on SCSN? Okay, no. Baby Doge is actually down. Check that. Okay. So still way down. Can you talk about Zuga Coin, Africa crypto coin? It's beat Bitcoin. Shy Crypto. Haven't heard about Zuga Coin. I'll have to look into that before I come on here and talk about it. I will check that out, though. Appreciate that. Gained $230 by swing trading Cartesi today. Nice. That's a nice little gainer. AJ, nice consolidation going on this morning. ETH is still set on a launch pad. Oh yeah, AJ, I agree. Launch pad indeed. Crazy how Cardano set the pace a couple of days ago for the rally. Yes. OG supporter. PT, appreciate you, brother. VThor is pumping up 23%. Nice. That's what I'm hearing. All right, we'll check VThor real quick just to kind of get it on there. A lot of people talking about it. I hear you. I hear you. VThor token, part of the VeChain network, just outside the top 100. Maybe not for long here. Ranked number 117. Look at that, up 24%. VThor token making some nice moves here. Trading volume's up 150% in the past 24 hours. That's big. That is big. There you go. VThor fans. Pumping up right now. What else do we got? Hector, Shaitoshi, what you think? What about him? Baby BNB has been ripping. Okay, Bovine. Liam, Shiba Inu till the end, bro. No baby Doge for me. Gotcha, man. Ravi, hi, your thoughts on NEO and price prediction? NEO was an interesting one. So NEO's been around for a long time. It had some crazy gains way back in 2017, 2018, but it's since kind of just flatlined a little bit. So it's ranked number 35, and we can see the all-time highs. They're going to be from many years ago. So 4 years ago, back in 2018, January, it was $196.85. It did pop a little bit back in May. Okay, we did get a nice pop over $120 it got up to, and we are moving up nice here again. I just don't know about the long-term outlook of NEO, and if there are other projects in and around the current ranking of 35 that I would go with. I think there are, okay? That's just me personally looking at it, okay? But I can give you a little bit of information here. I believe it was, founded and operated in China, but let me make sure of that. Here we go. Yeah, initially known as Ant Shares. There you go. This project was believed to be China's first ever public blockchain when it was launched in February 2014. So if you remember when it was called Ant Shares, you've been around the crypto space for a long time. The open source platform subsequently rebranded to NEO 3 years later, not to be mistaken by NEO and IO, the electric vehicle company out of China, as well as creating a worldwide community of developers who create new infrastructure for the network and lower barriers to entry. The team behind this project operates an EcoBoost initiative that's designed to encourage people to build decentralized apps and smart contracts on its blockchain. So there you go, a little bit about NEO. But I just think there are other projects in and around NEO right now that I would probably go to before I go NEO. Just my thoughts. Armand, another true OG. What's happening, brother? Dan De Silva. We got De Silva in here too. How about that? Love it. Love it. Very nice. Still can't decide if it's puff, puff, pass or puff, puff, hold. Nice. Invest in BTC and ETH. Guess you're not realizing both of them are about to be slapped like XRP is. After Ripple gets through with the SEC, ETH and BTC will be on their shit list. Fundraiser they did. Ron D, it'll be interesting to see what happens because I think overall crypto regulation is going to stop this individual, singling out of different assets. But we're not going to see that overall regulation here in the U.S. until probably 2023, I would guess. Yeah. That's my guess, at least. Yeah, Dent Pump, I saw that, Wizard. I saw that they got into the top 100 kind of out of nowhere, right? I did see that. Dent, are they still in the top 100? I don't think so. Anchors looks like it's back in the number 100 spot. So unless Dent has moved way up, has it? No, it's fallen back out. So it must have fell off just a little bit. Let's see. De Silva, man, it's good to see you. It's good to see you, man. Tell you some of the ones. How about let's take a look at some of the ones down here that I think have a good chance to do well. Some of these smaller cap tokens, just outside 1 billion. That's what you usually see here down here in the top 100. I think Voyager token and Siacoin are two that I like. Okay. Also down here that have some good potential, Telcoin and Harmony One. One that I really think has some nice potential, Zilliqa. Zilliqa and Flow are two interesting ones. Zilliqa for sure. Zilliqa is very, very interesting. It's very decentralized, and it has a bright, bright future, in my opinion. It did not sell off like a lot of the other top 100 currencies did. Engine Coin, true OG in the space. Decentraland, one of my personal favorites. I like Stacks. I think it has great potential. Theta Fuel, just going kind of through some here. Chili's, definitely one that I like moving forward. Kusama, H-Bar, AMP. BitTorrent is very interesting. Don't know if it's going to take off, but it's very interesting. Okay, of course, SHIB. Crypto.com, one of our favorites. Axie Infinity, look at that, ranked number 34. How about Axie? Crazy, crazy, crazy. Okay, just wanted to bring you up to speed on some of those. Okay, let's see. Appreciate all the new followers on Twitter, all the retweets here of the live tweets, or I'm sorry, the live stream too. Thank you for that. So if you could, if you want to retweet this out, this latest tweet, that would help, or like it, that'd be cool. Okay, all right. So also join our Patreon. That link's pinned to the top chat. Let's bounce back over to the charts. Okay, Alchemy Pay stuck at 8 cents right now. Consolidation mode right now, so really consolidating. Look at that. I do think we're going to get a breakout here with Alchemy, though. I think we'll see another breakout soon. Good morning, BN. How you doing? AJ, I wouldn't be surprised if BTT did take off soon with NFTs starting to get more attention. I agree. What are your thoughts on NU? Made a ton when it ran to $1, then lost it all when it crashed. Anthony, don't know much about it, man. Cardano and Binance are neck and neck. Yeah, Cardano's already passed Binance Ruggles before, but I think it'll pass it again. And probably pass it for good. Holding Siacoin and Ravencoin. There you go, Suresh. SEC will give up when XRP wins? Maybe. Predictions on Cardano towards September 12th. Great question, Dave Silva. Let me answer that one real quick. Cardano before September 12th, I think it gets to $4, somewhere between $4 and, well, $4 and $5. Somewhere in between $4 and $5 before then. Then I think it does sell off. And probably resettles back in somewhere in the 2s, in my opinion. Government stepping in may help aid coins. Yeah, there's definitely some good that comes from regulation. It's not all bad when it comes to regulating crypto, for sure. There's definitely good and bad. We need some type of regulation in order to solidify itself in our world, okay? So I think it's a good thing overall, more so than a negative. Now, we just don't want a ton of regulation, right? We just want some. That's really the breaking point. How much regulation, right? It's not having it or not having it. Having it is good, but it's how much, right? Anything on DIA? No, I don't have anything there on that one, Nick. What about Ryoshi Vision? A lot of people asking about that one. I know it's popped up recently. Don't know much about it, though. I'm not particularly investing in it. Brave Browser, I've heard about this. You can earn a BAT token while browsing, so there you go. High Train, there you go. SEC will settle to prevent other coins from having the precedent of Ripple winning a fair notice defense. Okay. Regulation would definitely make the dev teams have to be more transparent, which I think you're right, Kevin. I think that's a good thing. Tyler's holding on to that ADA, that ETH, and that Crow. I'm with you. SLP, ETH, awesome trades. AXS goes up, SLP follows soon after. So for those of you not familiar with what Stone is saying, AXS is Axie Infinity. SLP right here is Smooth Love Potion. So as AXS goes up, SLP usually follows slowly behind. So he's saying those are good opportunities for day trades, swing trades. When you see Axie going up, you know SLP has to go up too. SLP's been on a crazy downturn though. Look at this. It's kind of weird. It's been setting lower lows too. But it'll be interesting. Maybe this is just a great time to get into SLP right now. Could be. It's way off those high water marks back in July about a month ago. This is Smooth Love Potion. This is the actual token that people earn when they play Axie Infinity. This is the token that they earn that they can then transfer over into fiat or another ERC20 token. So welcome in, everybody. If you're getting some value here, the only thing I ask is just hit the like button. It takes 0.2 seconds of your time. It's totally free. It helps us out tremendously with the algorithm and all that. And I'd appreciate that. Be very grateful for you. And also subscribe to the channel if you're new. Let me know if you're new here to the channel. If you just popped onto the stream for the first time, welcome in. We're so happy that you found us, and hopefully you stay for the long time. For a long time. I always say for the long time. Stay for a long time. So, ETH is my new 401k. I like it, Trina. Crow is definitely a sleeper. I agree. Create a Zach coin. Have an ish. That would be nice, but I don't know if I don't know if I'm ready for that. Get a large chunk of money at September 9th, Golden Cuffs. What should I invest in? Well, a lot of it depends on where the market is then, right, Lefurious? Like having that decision made now is kind of tough because we don't know where we're going to be. But I think you can have a number of assets that you like and then have price points that you're looking at, right? You can always put it in a stable coin and wait for those prices. Or if you have something that you know you're going to hold for the long term, maybe you're not as concerned with that initial price that you get in at. That's great, though, that you're already looking ahead. I'm not selling anything and taking no profits for 5 years, only feeding for the win. I hear you, AJ. Best time to buy SLP, Zach. There you go. Stone calls it. Best time to buy Smooth Love Potion right now. There you go. I would tend to agree with him. I mean, I think it's going to go up with Axie. Right now, it's in a downturn right now. So, I mean, I'm with you. I might even get some SLP, actually, now that I'm looking at this. This is available over on Crypto.com, too, some SLP. So Mina is an interesting one. I'll be talking about Mina in an update coming up about 12 p.m. Eastern. I've got a video coming out on Mina, so make sure you check that out. It's an interesting project. They're just outside the top 100, and I know that my guy out there, Tori McFarlane, will be super excited about this. We'll be talking about it, so. XRP case is over pretty much. Settlement said to be in September and then blast off. I love the fact that the real government is stepping in. Nice. So Mina Protocol, definitely want to check out. I always forget to mention this real quick. Y'all know you can hit the join button here and watch a little video. You can become a member right here on YouTube. That is an option for you if you don't want to come all the way over to the Patreon and have something new that you have to learn. You could join right here. With the $10 package, you get instant Discord access. If you can't find it, tweet me, and I have to update that link all the time. But easiest thing is just to come over to the Patreon and join us over there at the private community, either with the supporter or insider level. But yeah, this Mina protocol, the world's lightest blockchain, and I'll tell you a little bit more about this coming up at 12 p.m. Eastern when that video releases. Cardano for $18 end of the year. Wow, that's a huge projection there. $18 would be big. I'd be shocked if it got that high. New here, holding Cardano, not sure when to take profit. Cheers, all the best. Fire Bobby 1972, welcome. Glad that you are holding Cardano, which is a really good asset. When did you get in, my friend? And what are you trying to do? How much money are you trying to make? Or is there a reason why you're saving? Are you just trying to secure wealth for the next 5 to 10 years or beyond? Or what are you trying to do? What are your aspirations? And we can kind of help you get there. You can also, you can join us over at the Patreon, and we'll give you direct help whenever needed too if you're new and you want to learn more. Unstake is advisable. Hodling for the next few years. There you go, Tyler. Nice. Solana over ADA any day. Stone. 2 weeks ago, just diversify from stocks. I hear you. So you probably got in at, on ADA, if you got in a couple weeks ago, let's see. You're probably in there somewhere about $1.30, $1.40, I would imagine. Right, a couple weeks ago, which was August 1st, right, which is somewhere right in here. Yeah, $1.31, right? You're probably right in there, $1.30. Okay. So what's your plan? How much money do you want to make? What are you saving money for, right? These are questions you have to ask when you're creating an exit strategy. A stable coin, Avanesh, is really good to hold assets, or I'm sorry, to hold money within an exchange, right? You want to have money on the sidelines, so if and when your favorite asset dips, you've already got money in the hole ready. And while that money's on the sidelines, it could be accruing interest. It could be earning money, 2%, right? With the DAI coin, the DAI coin. So you get passive income while you wait for your favorite assets to dip. That's the selling point for me, at least. What's happening with Shiba Rewards? Nothing in 2 weeks. Yeah, Liam, they've come out recently and said that it's going to be 2 weeks at a time now that they're going to do the Shiba Swap rewards. So I think they're just a little bit behind. They said hang tight. They are figuring everything out, and they'll have it taken care of very soon for everybody. So I would say just be patient, and those rewards you will see those rewards very soon. So. Glad I got in at ADA at 14 cents. Nice, Johnny. Dry powder ready to buy when the price is right. Exactly, Armand. Exactly. Got to have some dry powder on the sidelines. ADA's moving up on my weekly purchases with ETH and BTC. Non-negotiable profits with the tip 3, and my ADA is only around $2 for sure. Winner by 2022. I agree. It's money I don't need for 12 months. Hold or sell and look for another coin. Be happy with 3x. Oh, 3x is tremendous, Fire Bobby. If you're looking at some other assets to get on for the next 12 months, Bitcoin and Ethereum are the two that just low risk, especially Ethereum, I think over the next year will outpace Bitcoin in gains. Cardano could be right up there with Ethereum, I think. XRP would be another one of those. Polygon would be another one. Those are my biggest ones that I would be looking at for months. Polygon, Ethereum, and not in a particular order here. Polygon, Ethereum, XRP, Bitcoin, Cardano. Solana too would be up there too. I think Solana could really have some crazy gains. I just don't know enough about it to put it above the other ones that I know more about. But Solana has a really growing ecosystem that is super impressive. Yes, Lefurious, yes, that's what I use, the DAI coin. Yes. It's giving you 2% to hodl because it's a stable coin, and you don't want to keep your money there forever unless you just want to earn that 2%. But you leave it there until you want to purchase something else, and while it's sitting there, you're earning 2%. So yeah, DAI coin's great. Everrise having a live demo of Ever-owned DApp and doxing of Titan this month. Okay, WN. Armand, AMP will come down. You think AMP will still come down from here? Ashley, too much red in the market today. Well, I've got that green. I've got the green ball on right now. Maybe I guess I should switch it back over to the red ball. There we go. Now it's back to the red. But it's hard to tell if it'll turn green. But here's the thing, Ashley. I think we are in a bull cycle. This is just a little downward pressure. So, sure. I think in the weekend we do see the market usually sell off a bit too. Okay. So yes, I think this is a little dip before we go way back up again. When we look at this Cardano chart right here, look at this. This looks very similar to this recent dip right here, right? I think we could be getting ready for some big moves come tomorrow. Is there any official news about Poly Network security upgrade after theft? Yeah, Avanish, Poly Network is not related to Polygon at all. So don't think Poly Network, Polygon Matic. No connection. Polygon Matic, I know some people may have hesitated or freaked out when the Poly Network was hacked. That's not related to Polygon. Poly Network is its own thing. Okay? It seems red on a Sunday, seems normal at the moment. Yeah, exactly. I started investing so I don't have to work till I die. Any pointers? Buy and hold. Buy and hold good assets like Ethereum, Cardano, and Bitcoin and XRP. And Matic. And if you want to dabble in this community coins, I would advise going with Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. Solana's another great one. VET, Crowcoin, Axie Infinity if you want to get into the gaming space, Sandbox, Chili's if you want to get in the social community space, Theta if you want to get in the streaming space. I can give you a ton. But really, make your portfolio top heavy in the big players. Make it top heavy in Ethereum and Bitcoin and Cardano, and then go shopping for some of these smaller ancillary assets. And I think you're going to do well over time. Trina, that's awesome. That's fantastic. You bet, Cody. Cody or Cody? Cody Cleveland. What is going on with Shiba rewards this weekend? Yeah, it's just delayed a little bit. Be patient. Christine, thank you. Thank you for the love, my friend. Each of these coins have a purpose and will help grow the portfolio economy. Yes, crypto economy. Aaron, what I'd like to see from SHIB is getting back to all-time highs. That's step number one. Once we get back to all-time highs, then we can talk about where we go from there. Then we can talk about what's next. Okay? You guys, real quick, I'm going to go take a bathroom break and get some more coffee. So I will be right back. Okay, I am back. I'm bringing my camera back into play here too. Bear with me. There we go. There we go. Wait a minute. Okay, boom. All right. Cool, cool, cool. Okay, what's up, everybody? Welcome, welcome. Sorry if I missed anybody who just popped in. Okay. Oh, you could hear me from the bathroom? Really? Well, that's all right. Also learning options trading. Sweet. Hawaii in the house. What's up, Brian? How is Hawaii, man? It's got to be beautiful. Always, right? Johnny got jokes. Johnny got jokes. My man. Owe me because of the NFT space. SHIB has so many holders. Why there are still plenty of SHIB in circulation? Because there's just a ton of overall SHIB. There's a SHIB ton of SHIB. There's a SHIB ton. How much SHIB do you own? A SHIB ton. I just made that up on the spot. I don't know if somebody else has already said that, but like button for great room. Thanks, Ron D. Appreciate it, man. I was going to check out the number of holders actually real quick. Newbie here in trading. Should I buy now for ADA? Minari, if you want to buy it and hold it, have an exit strategy in place, I don't think it's a bad move at all, man. I think it's still going to go up from here in the short term. It could, drop back down below the current price right now, but I don't think anytime soon. I think it's going to go up. Why is AMP so sleepy? I know. And I think that's why I like it, Perry, because it's so sleepy, right? People have kind of forgotten about it. That's when usually things explode. And it's been consolidating here really tightly. So I like AMP. I actually like AMP. A SHIB ton, you like that? Always, I'll be out on the ocean today. Come visit Hawaii. Man, I'd love to, Brian. Ron D, you like that? SHIB ton? I figured you'd like that. So Etherscan showing 629,359 holders at the moment. So there you go. There we go. All right, y'all, this has been a ton of fun. I'm going to wrap things up. I've got a video coming out in about 8 minutes, okay? That is going to be on Mina Protocol. Check that out. I'm really interested to get your thoughts on that. Drop some comments down below on this video. Help spread the word by liking it, sharing it with your friends, and you can always go back and watch the replay here once it's reposted. Thank you so much for the super chats. Appreciate that very, very much. That helps me do what I do and continue bringing you guys the best content that I possibly can. And again, the Patreon is linked above over on the top chat. Come on and join us over here if you want to join a private community that supports one another. We've got that for you over at Patreon Discord. All right, thank you all so much. See y'all. Take care. Have a great rest of your Sunday. And let's continue to watch the crypto market very closely and more content to come. All right, take care, y'all. Have a great one.